If you're seeing the "something went wrong" message while using Galaxy Teams on your Samsung phone, don't panic. In this guide, we'll walk you through simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Let's jump right in and fix it together. Solution 1. Clear cache of Galaxy Teams. Go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Tap on Apps. Now tap on Search bar from the top. Then type Teams. After that, tap on Galaxy Teams. Scroll down again, then tap on Storage. Next, tap on the Clear Cache from the bottom right corner. Solution 2. Fix your internet. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Developer option. Scroll down. Find out Wi-Fi scan throttling. Enable this option. After that, scroll down a little. Enable mobile data always active if you are using mobile data on your Samsung. Now go back, open your YouTube and check if your internet is working or not. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General Management. Scroll down. Tap Reset. Tap Mobile Network Settings. Tap Reset Setting. If that doesn't work, your best bet is to get in touch with your internet service provider for further help. And that's it. That's how you can resolve the "something went wrong" issue with Galaxy Teams on your Samsung phone. If you're still unsure about anything, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for tuning in.